Intro. Yo, what's up guys? I'm Andy from AI Unveiled, and today we're talking about a topic that affects us all, cars of the future, electromobility. Electric cars have been on everyone's lips for a long time, but they will become even more important in the future. Petrol and diesel cars will gradually disappear, simply because they are no longer fit for purpose. Electric cars are cleaner, quieter and cheaper to maintain. Why are electric cars cleaner? Electric cars are cleaner than gasoline and diesel cars for the following reasons. No exhaust fumes. Electric cars do not emit harmful exhaust fumes such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides and particulate matter while driving. This is good for the environment and our health. Less noise. Electric motors are much quieter than combustion engines. This means less noise in our cities. More efficient use of energy. Electric motors use the energy from the battery more efficiently than combustion engines. This means that they consume less energy and produce fewer CO2 emissions. Sustainable energy sources. Electric cars can be powered by electricity from renewable energy sources such as wind power and solar energy. This makes them even cleaner and more climate friendly. Less maintenance. Electric motors have fewer moving parts than combustion engines. This means that they require less maintenance and break down less often. Conservation of resources. The production of electric cars consumes fewer resources than the production of gasoline and diesel cars. In summary, it can be said that electric cars can make an important contribution to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Why are electric cars cheaper to maintain? Electric cars have several maintenance advantages compared to gasoline and diesel vehicles. 1. Lower energy costs. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline or diesel in most cases. The energy consumption of electric cars is significantly lower than that of combustion engines. Possibility to charge at home at the wall box and thus save costs. 2. Less maintenance. Electric motors have fewer moving parts than combustion engines. This means they wear less and require less maintenance. No oil changes, timing belt changes or emissions tests necessary. 3. Lower insurance costs. Electric cars generally have a lower accident risk than gasoline and diesel cars. As a result, insurance premiums are often lower. Possibility to benefit from special car insurance policies with favorable rates. 4. Tax advantages. Electric cars are exempt from vehicle tax or heavily subsidized in many countries. There are also other government subsidy programs that can make it cheaper to maintain electric cars. 5. Longer lasting brakes. Electric motors use recuperation to recover energy during braking. This puts less strain on the mechanical brakes and makes them last longer. 6. Value stability. The demand for electric cars is steadily increasing. As a result, the depreciation of electric cars is generally lower than that of gasoline and diesel cars. In summary, it can be said that the maintenance costs of electric cars are significantly lower than those of gasoline and diesel vehicles. This is partly due to the lower energy efficiency of electric motors, but also to government subsidy programs and lower maintenance costs. Autonomous driving. Imagine being able to relax in your car while it drives itself. This is no longer a dream, it will soon be a reality. Autonomous cars are becoming increasingly sophisticated and safer. In the future, we will probably all be getting around like this. How does autonomous driving work? Autonomous cars use various sensors to detect their surroundings and make decisions about driving behavior. The most important sensors include 1. Cameras. Cameras provide high-resolution images of the surroundings, which are used by the car to detect lane markings, other vehicles, pedestrians and obstacles. 2. Radar. Radar measures the distance and speed of objects in the environment. This enables the car to detect other vehicles that are in the blind spot or approaching quickly. 3. LiDAR. LiDAR generates high-resolution 3D maps of the surrounding area using laser pulses. This enables the car to recognize the exact position and shape of objects, even in poor visibility conditions. 4. GPS. GPS provides information about the car's position and speed. This enables the car to determine its position on the map and plan the route. 5. Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU. The IMU measures the acceleration and rotation of the car. This enables the car to detect its movement and orientation in the environment. Software. The sensor data is processed by complex software that makes the driving decisions. The software uses artificial intelligence algorithms to interpret the environment and steer the car safely and efficiently. Autonomous driving is a complex system that is constantly evolving. We will probably see even more progress in this area over the next few years. Is autonomous driving safe? Autonomous cars are constantly being tested and further developed by experts. They are already safer than human drivers. Connectivity. In the future, cars will not only drive autonomously, but will also be connected to each other. This will enable them to exchange information about traffic and their surroundings and avoid accidents. How does car connectivity work? Cars communicate with each other via radio. This allows them to exchange information about their position, speed and direction of travel. What are the benefits of car connectivity? Car connectivity can reduce traffic jams and prevent accidents. It can also help to make traffic flow more smoothly and efficiently. Shared mobility. In the future, we will probably own fewer cars and share more cars. Car sharing and ride-hailing are becoming increasingly popular because they are easy and convenient. Why is shared mobility becoming more popular? Shared mobility is simple and convenient. You don't have to worry about car maintenance and insurance. It is also often cheaper to rent a car than to own one. What are the advantages of shared mobility? Shared mobility can help to reduce the number of cars on the roads. This means less congestion and less pollution. Conclusion. The future of cars is exciting and full of innovation. I'm looking forward to seeing how we will get around in the future. Outro. So, that's it for today. I hope you've learned something about the cars of the future. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.